Evans wants this house. He's upstairs negotiating.
Man, I want to buy this house. Come on.
I don't think so. Evans, let's go!
I'm feeling really happy about this. He reckons he might accept 170, which is a bargain. I'm really happy with that.
Not for this one. I think the buyer's disappeared because of some of the things outside in the garden, maybe.
No, the buyer's disappeared because we should have never even listened to his offer.
Cheerio, back.
I think we can get it though.
We'll talk in the car.
I'm not trying to be funny, but why'd you rush me out of the house? It used to be a HMO before.
Do you know what that is?
Japanese Knotweed.
I think that was in the house, in the garden. In fact, I don't think that was...
This stuff, Japanese knotweed. This plant presents a property risk, and therefore it's advisable that you know what it looks like. Okay, let's take a look at this plant and the key characteristics to help you identify it. If snapped or cut, you can see the stem is hollow. This is the key bit. Knotweed produces one bud per node. This produces a zigzag type stem growth, an alternate pattern of leaves, not mirror symmetrical. The knotweed leaf is a heart shape. Heart shape.
No!
When the plant dies back for the winter, it is at its most difficult to recognise. Often the only identifier is the dead brown stems.
No!
We're going to talk about butterfly bush, all one word, or Buddleja Davidii. Leaf form is simple, and the leaf margin is serrated. The serrations are very fine.
The ordinary Buddleja Davidii, it seeds itself. You see waste ground anywhere in the city, you'll see Buddlejas growing. You see them growing out of old walls.
The plant type is a shrub. It's broadleaf and deciduous. This plant doesn't have a nice rounded shape. It tends to be kind of stocky.
You've probably already got one in the garden, but we can't stress enough how fantastic these are, and you know, why stop at one? Why not have 2, 3, 4 or even 5?
I reckon that house is worth nothing.
Did you actually see that
Yes.
in there?
Yes.
Okay.
It feels like I'm an absolute fraud.
Why don't you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God, stop you lying, always lying to me.
He was so angry with me. He was like, "Why'd you rush me out the house, man? I was about to buy it. I was that far off from buying it."
Always lying to me. Why? You lying so much. Why?
No.